Good morning, guys. I finally found my freaking tripod. So vlogs are gonna be better than ever. They're gonna be more like, hey, cause my day started at 7 a.m. It is currently 11. I started off by going on a run, which was so good. I went on a run at 8 a.m. with a bunch of friends from church, which was so encouraging. Got to pray. And I got to wear my new running shoes, which is always a slay because I was wearing like workout shoes, like normal workout shoes, and those were hurting my knee, which is so crazy how shoes can really affect your knees. So they hurt my knees, they hurt my feet. My feet would have splinters or whatever, like cuts on them. And I was like, bro, I need to like get new shoes. So I bought the Brooks running shoes. Honestly, best purchase I've made this year. Probably best purchase I made last year too, because last year I'd be buying some dumb stuff. So I'm really excited about my running journey. I'm gonna be running a 10K in April. Today we ran 4 miles and it was really hard for me to do that. Like I tried to do that 2 weeks ago and I literally almost died. Literally. Day of my period. So 4 miles, gotta get up to 6 miles. So I have a couple miles to go, but you know, slow and steady wins the race. I'm really excited. It's gonna be a really good time. I'm gonna run this 10K with a friend from church, a couple friends from church. And I've just been training with her and other people that aren't gonna run, but they just wanna run with us, which is also encouraging because they wanna work out and get themselves better for 2024, which is so motivating. I was such a big runner, working out person before I got married. Once I got married, I was like, I'm lazy, I don't want to work out, and I'm like, you know what, I gotta get back on that grind because when I run, I feel so much better about myself. So today, it's gonna be a day filled with pancakes, cocktails, cookies, yeah, you name it, I'm gonna eat it. Which I probably shouldn't be, I probably shouldn't be eating like that because I have a modeling gig Thursday, but I feel like it's gonna be okay because I've been working out a lot, so it's kind of like balancing. I don't feel like I'm like eating too much or doing the most. So I feel really good. Like honestly, like really good balanced lifestyle right now. But right now I'm gonna go get breakfast with my mom because I forgot my Bible. That's literally the reason I'm going. So it's okay, I have my phone. My mom's birthday gift, I didn't have like money to buy her like anything extravagant, but I told her like, hey, let's get breakfast and read our Bibles together. Like that is your Christmas gift. I mean, that is your birthday gift. And she's like, yeah, that's a great idea. Let's do it. So that's where I'm going right now. I'm going to meet her at a Dennys. After that, I'm going to film some content. But I've just been preparing for New York Fashion Week, guys. I haven't really been like on my social media game because I've been working out for that and like sending emails like a madman, bro. I have just been on my email every day from like 9 a.m. to like 1 p.m. I'm on my computer sending emails and doing stuff, and it kind of sucks, and I pray that like all of this work really pays off because I've been doing that for about 5 days now. And I just really want to get a couple fashion shows. And my friend Joanna is gonna debut her show over there, her designs over there also. So I'm not gonna be there for that because I'm gonna get there later. She invited me to hers and I can't make it because of the day, but at least it was really encouraging to get invited. I won a giveaway, which is crazy. You know, I don't win giveaways usually. I'm really bad at that stuff. But I like won the giveaway to get like a photo shoot from like a professional photographer in New York. And I'm like, dude, like that is my sign that God wants me over there. Like even though again, I might probably get like 1 or 2 things, I'm gonna get a photo shoot and I'm gonna go to the Met Museum. I'm gonna go see a Broadway show. Pretty good. Like that sounds like a lot already. Oh, and if we're gonna talk about artists, let's talk about Kali Uchis, bro. Her album is so good. When Ariana Grande's song came out, Kali Uchis was like the recommended album to come out like on my Apple Music, so it was playing, and I was like, dude, this is so good. Why haven't I been listening to it? But it came out that day, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I'm so stupid. She has great, unique songs, genres in there, and honestly, Caliuchis can really pull off anything. She's diverse in her music. She has a great, unique voice. I literally look up to her for aesthetic. But I saw that her, Karol G, and Peso Pluma were like at a festival, and the three of them were waving at each other, and I'm like, are they gonna drop a song? Like, I've always loved Caliuchis because of her style and the way she does her music videos. Karol G, her music is amazing, and Peso Pluma is just the cherry on top, bro. Like, he really makes a song. Like, I love his song with Grupo Frontera. I love all his songs. His song Lady Gaga. My sister was actually on set for, oh, I just hit my camera. Rubicon, something like that. I don't know how to say it. But the one where he's like in a boxing ring. Her and my aunt did the hair and makeup for the musicians, the band, and the models. Yeah, guys, I've been standing on business. So I'm gonna stop this. I will see you guys when we're at Dennys. We're at Dennys today. Just came back from breakfast. We were there for about an hour and a half. Probably one of the best breakfasts I've ever had. My mom and I got to have a quiet time and pray together. Tears were rolling down my face. And it was a good time. I really enjoyed that, and I'm really grateful that I got to experience that with my mom. We're gonna run some errands, which I completely forgot I need to do, but I really need to get it done. I wrote this letter to Coach because I just really want to work with them. I want to get invited to a show. I want to do a sponsored post. I just want them to know me. I've been emailing them and I've been DMing them for literally months, probably years. I see all my friends getting brand deals with them, and I'm like, can you shoot me the email? And they don't do it. And I'm like, okay, it's fine. You don't have to. You're not obligated to give me things. If I can't get their attention one way or another, I'm gonna send a letter. And I gotta go return these mics because false advertisement, it does not connect to my phone. It connects to my computer, and I don't want that. I need to connect to my phone. I'm back from running my errands. They know what they were doing when they put a freaking Amazon return in Kohl's, because I had to buy something. I heard a lot of stuff about Selena Gomez's skincare brand, and I'm curious and I wanted to try it out myself. So I bought it, and they were having a like 10% off for like everything in the store. So I was like, ooh, $17, not too bad. This is what it looks like. I tried it in the store and I really loved the scent, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm like, I never bought Rare Beauty before. And it's so cute to like put in your purse, bro. And I'm like, I should get it, let me get it. So I got it, and it was $17 with the 10% discount that Sephora was giving. All her stuff was like gone. But I didn't want any makeup, and I was like, let me see if they have Rem Beauty, but they didn't have that either. And the Patrick Ta like contour kit and the one size contour kit was gone. So I was like, okay, let me get something, you know, to feel like the main character. Okay, 2 packages from Unique Vintage. So they sent me a bunch of beautiful, pretty dresses like this one. Yeah, I'm about to do a real cute video to that. Oh shoot, they sent the dress twice, bro. Okay, I got, this dress is really nice. So it comes with the dress. I modeled it already and it's really nice. Should I do a giveaway? This is a size large. Woo! Una bolsita. Wow. Firming cashmere cream. Are you gonna take it? No? Okay. Firming night cream. I'm gonna keep these. Instant firming serum. Firming cashmere cream. Smaller versions of the other creams. So amazing. I need to actually use these because I like save them. I'm like, I'm gonna need these one day. And I save them and I don't use them. And I'm like, I need to use them. So these are gonna be part of my skin routine. Oh, First Aid Beauty. Retinol has a sensitive side. Ooh. I didn't end up filming outfit videos because my stomach started really hurting. So I was just playing with makeup. I did my makeup. I wanted to do like a Caliuchis inspired makeup. because she dropped her new album and I really love it. So I did makeup, insert photos here. But the craziest thing, my husband doesn't like makeup all that much. He doesn't really care for it. And usually I'll do my basic, you know, my basic makeup, and he never compliments my makeup. Never. But when I come out looking like this, he's like, you look really good. And I'm like, wait, do you have a crush on Kelly Uchis? Crippling anxiety. We're gonna go make a drink. My stomach's feeling a lot better, so I think I can drink now. The same thing I made last week. We're gonna have a vodka drink. Sprite and cranberry juice. 2 cute glasses. I'm trying to give you the best of the best lighting, but it really isn't giving. We should measure, but we're not going to, cause life. So we're gonna put like a shot. My husband likes his drinks really strong, so some Sprite, just like a splash of Sprite to get rid of that bitter cranberry taste that the cranberry juice has. Cause my husband got like straight up cranberry juice, like there's no sugar in this, so it's really strong. Welcome to my bathroom. I never let you guys in here because obviously it's my bathroom, but I cleaned it and I decided I'd show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. I took my makeup off. It's completely off, but I'm gonna show you some of the products I use to wash my face, the oils and serums and all that good stuff. I didn't think I was a 10-step skincare girl, but I guess I am because I have a bunch of products right here. First, a brightening cleanser from VitC Radical. Always tie your hair. Forgot to do that. And usually before I wash my face, I always, if I have makeup on, always use this cleansing balm by Burst. It's my favorite cleansing balm out there. It's so good. And I'll use this Curology micellar water to take off like my eyeliner or crazy eye looks. But since I don't have any makeup on right now, it's just regular cleanser. Sometimes I use this Tula probiotic superfood like exfoliator. It's so good, but I'm not gonna use it today because I don't think I need it. So I'm gonna go right into serums and hyaluronic acid serums. Like wash on my face at least twice a week. It's best to do it as much as you can. I used to do this all the time when I lived with my parents, completely stopped when I got married. And I'm back to doing it because I have to. I usually focus like down here, getting rid of the double chin, but I like to also like bring it up. I don't know if you guys can see a difference. Last but not least, this toner. I'm gonna spray it with this hand because it hurt my finger. Last but not least, these patches, these eye patches. I've been waking up super early lately, so I've been having really bad under eyes. And for a long time, I thought it was a look, low key. But as I'm getting older, I'm like, you know what? It's not really a look because I don't want to have dark circles under my eyes. Hydrates your under eyes, plumps them. It's a really good eye patch. I always buy eye patches because they're so good. My under eyes always get so bad. But if you want to look at, this is the brand. If you guys are curious, this is the brand Patchology. So we got the patches on. We have our affirmations on our wall. I have a whole like deck of cards for affirmations. I put those up a long time ago. I should probably change them out. But you gotta have your affirmations, guys. But anyways, guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed watching me get breakfast, run some errands, do my makeup, make a cocktail, do my skincare. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, because I enjoy filming these things for you. And I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you guys in my next video.